Inmates, how's life behind bars for you? Summer's coming to an end, but the winter's now coming, and we're probably going to start wanting to do a bit of maintenance on our bikes. Should we address the elephant in the room to begin with? Yes, that's a KTM behind me. I have gone and bought the new, I can't remember what it's called. It's not an R, not BMW. I've just gone and bought a new KTM Flipping heck, Super Adventure. I've just bought the new KTM Super Adventure S 1290. KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. I've had it here for about a week now. Do you know what? It's a freaking good bike. I don't know why there's a little bit of rivalry between BM riders and KTM riders. These bikes are phenomenal. Now, I'm not going to give a review on this. I'm not going to tell you which bike I prefer. In all honesty, they're both completely different. They shouldn't even be comparable. Like, should it be called an adventure bike? I suppose it's a bit like the KTM 1290 Super Duke, but not as hard, not as harsh, not as raw. But whether it is actually something that could replace my GS, right now, I don't think so. But it's still a ton of fun and I love it. I was only planning on keeping it for a few months just to do some work with it, show you the products that are going onto it, but I actually think I might keep it because I really do like it, but I'm not getting rid of my GS, don't worry about that. If you watch to the end of this video, I will show you the build up to buying this bike, going to view it just before I had it delivered, the delivery of the bike, just so you can see the experience that I went through and the thoughts behind buying this bike. But for now, I want to talk about the Skylift that's on here. Now, a lot of you Beamer riders have already got a Skylift, you know about the Skylift for the R1250 and the R1200, but I want to show you it on the KTM. So, have you already got a KTM? Have you already got a Skylift for your KTM? Did you know the Skylift even existed for the KTM? Well, I put a link down below where you can buy the Skylift for the KTM 1290 Super Adventure. Now, I'll put an option on there so you can change the adapters to make sure you get the right fitting for your bike. So this is for the new 21 plate KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. It'll work on the Super Adventure R as well. If you want to know more, click on the link down below. You can go through, see it on the website, and you can order it. We deliver worldwide. So as you can see from this video, just showing you exactly how easy it is to put on the Skylift. Now, people use the Skylift for all manner of reasons. Some people just like to store it on their Skylift so they can lift the tyres off the ground and push it into their garage, which is a little bit more space saving because you can get the bike into any sort of position you want to in your garage. Maybe jack it up so it sits over the top of a low level car or something you've got in the garage as well. It's amazing what people use them for. Or you're going to use it because you want to do your own maintenance on your bike and you want to get it at a nice height. I put all of my bikes onto my Skylift when I work on my BMW GS. I'll be doing it with the KTM as well. Because for me, it's just easier to get underneath the front of the bike or under the back of it, just so I'm not bending my back and breaking my back every time I work on a bike. So it's a great tool to have in my workshop. I need it. This is my second one I've bought because I've got a GS up on a ramp, I've got a KTM up on a ramp, both at the same time. So as you can see, you can stick it into stoppy mode or endo or stoppy mode. You can stick it into wheelie mode, or you can just lift the whole bike up parallel with the ground and just take it right up. It's really fantastic. And if you've got a really good surface, unlike my courtyard here, if you've got a nice smooth surface, well then you can actually move the bike around really, really easily with the bike jacked up quite safely. Right, so this is just a very, very quick video just to basically announce a bike thing and now have a KTM 1290 Super Adventure S in the barn, in the stable. It's here. It's a great bike. I actually do love it. But also to show you the Skylift, and there's going to be more products coming for the KTM as well. If you haven't subscribed, if you're new to the channel because probably you're a KTM rider and you didn't know about me, make sure you subscribe. And even if you're a Triumph rider, Ducati, Honda, subscribe because there's stuff coming for those very soon too. We're expanding here. Things are getting pretty exciting. Right, I've got to go. I've got to strip this baby down, literally take it right apart. And there'll be a video coming soon exactly how to take this bike apart, screw by screw, just like I did with the BMW GS, the GS Adventure. If you haven't seen them, links down below, links up above. All right, until the next video, stay safe behind bars, and I'll see you in the next video.